They called it brilliant. Good morning. Good morning. I just want to say thank you. Thank you, subscribers, for your support. My viewing numbers are going up. My subscriber numbers are going up. Our channel seems to be thriving. And I just want to say thank you, because there are some things that I could take credit for, and there are some things that I can't. I know that you support me. I see it. I hear it in your comments. And I am just so pleased and happy to have you in my circle. And for those of you that have not subscribed yet, I'm Jean. I am Jean G. And in this channel, we talk about Sisterlocks and all things positive. That's what we do. And I cannot leave out the love of God. So if you've not subscribed yet, I'm inviting you to this channel. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. I am preparing to go out and support my brother. I have several brothers, and this brother I'm supporting today, his best friend's wife passed away. And they're going to have a graveside service today, and I think I need to be there to at least hold his hands. And while I'm preparing to leave, I decided that it was time that I give you a review. A review on two products that I recently used. It is by Nature Love, and it's the apple cider vinegar shampoo and the apple cider vinegar hair and scalp rinse. They both claim to clarify your scalp and revitalize your hair, gently remove impurities and buildup, and boost radiance and brilliance. Wow, they use the word brilliance. I'm often told that my hair looks beautiful, and I am going to give you some of the comments that were given to me after I used the product. I was told that my hair, it looked brighter and shinier. It seemed to boost the gray color, and I decided that I would take a look back and see. And it has. I realized that my gray had a bit of a yellowish tone to it. And now that I've used this product at least 3 times, and I've used this one all alone, I've used this one all alone, and then I've used them together. This as a pre-treat and then shampoo. And it worked well. And it did not dry out my hair like I remember the Suave clarifying shampoo would do. So it adds a bit of moisture, or I'll say that it did not make my hair feel stripped. Would I purchase this again? Certainly. Hopefully I can find it again at TJ Maxx, because it is also sold on Amazon, but it costs more on the Amazon website. I would even call it expensive on the Amazon website, because the shampoo costs, looks like I've rubbed it out, but $8.99, and the hair and scalp rinse was $6.99. Not bad at all, and gave me such, I guess I'm gonna call it brilliance. They called it brilliance. So the name of this might be, the name of this video could possibly be a review of these products. And no, I won't put that in it. I won't put brilliance in the title, because if I put brilliance in the title, you're going to already know that I love the product, and I'll purchase it again. As a matter of fact, I've had the young lady that shampoos the traditional locks for me, because in South Carolina, I am not permitted to shampoo my client's hair, but I am in a full service salon and where shampooing is available. Yes, I'd purchase this product again. I am going to use it again. It has not replaced my Design Essentials Aloe and Peppermint shampoo, but I will use it when needed or to give my hair a boost. Oh yeah. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because He's been so good to me. He's given me friends, family, subscribers, blessed me with new members to my family, a member to look forward to seeing in June. God has just been so good. He's been so good. He's blessed my children. You know, in the Bible, God promised Abraham that if he was faithful, and Abraham was faithful, because of his faithfulness, God blessed his offspring. I believe that is what God is also doing in my family. We've had our challenges because of rebelliousness or whatever else goes against the will of God. But God has blessed this family. And I am so grateful to Him for His many blessings. I want you to pray. I'm so grateful. And if you have any questions to ask me about this Nature Love apple cider shampoo or apple cider vinegar hair and scalp rinse, please put it in the comments. I'm going to go and do my 360. And thank you. Thank you for your support. And thank you for watching.